How to manage groups notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage groups notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click these three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy and click on it, and now click settings, and then go down and you will find here notifications, and now just go down and you will find here groups. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage groups notifications on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.